Hi, I'm a forklift battery. Right after I was born, I was lined up with hundreds of my brothers on the production line. They said I had to pass every single test before getting this logo. Then I got stuffed into a container and traveled really far. Someone told me, we're in the Middle East. I was ready to work. And one day, our engineers showed up. They didn't go straight to the warehouse. Instead, they went into a meeting room and shared how to charge batteries like me properly, and when to let us rest. After that, they visited the end user's warehouse with our clients and asked the forklift operators and maintenance staff, what equipment are you using? How do you charge your batteries? What problems do you deal with every day? They listened everything and explained what would change with lithium: no battery swapping, less downtime, longer life. Most battery problems aren't about the battery itself, they're about habits, and whether the right battery is used in the right way. A lot of people think we're just consumables. But here's what I think: a battery that's well cared for and properly matched can last for years. And our engineers will fly over 6,000 kilometers, not just to sell batteries, but to understand real challenges. If your fleet is losing time, maybe it's not just your battery. Maybe it's how it's being used.